The number one seed burns fat 3 times faster. Forget chia seeds. They're not the fat-burning miracle you think they are. There's another seed, more powerful, more effective, and it burns fat up to 3 times faster. But hardly anyone is talking about it, yet. Take Lisa, a 52-year-old mum who tried every trendy superfood. Chia seeds? Made her bloated. But after switching to flax, she lost 11 pounds in 2 months, without changing anything else. Her energy? Through the roof. We've all heard about chia seeds. Instagram loves them. Nutrition blogs swear by them. But here's the truth. If weight loss is your goal, you might be wasting your time. There's a better option, and it's probably already sitting in your pantry. Today, we're exposing the seed that's leaving chia in the dust when it comes to melting stubborn fat. Let's be real. Losing fat isn't just about eating superfoods and hoping for the best. It's about how your body responds, your metabolism, your hormones, and how long you stay full after a meal. Chia seeds? Sure, they give you some fiber, but what if I told you that there's a seed that not only curbs hunger better, but actually helps your body burn more fat while supporting blood sugar and boosting energy at the same time? If you're serious about natural weight loss and want to finally see results, stick around. This might just change the way you eat forever. And if you're into holistic health, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more truth bombs like this one. So what's this number one fat-burning seed that beats chia at its own game? It's tiny. It's probably in your kitchen right now. And it's about to become your metabolism's new best friend. Flax seeds. Yep, flax seeds. Here's why. First, flax seeds target belly fat with lignans. Let's start with something called lignans. Flax seeds are the richest known dietary source of lignans, plant compounds that support estrogen balance in the body. Why does this matter? Because when your hormones, especially estrogen, are out of balance, your body holds on to fat like it's gold. That stubborn belly fat? Lignans help regulate estrogen levels, which can trigger fat loss around the waistline, especially for women over 40. Quick fact, flax has up to 800 times more lignans than chia seeds. 2. Better blood sugar equals less fat storage. Here's the thing. When your blood sugar spikes, your body stores fat. When it stays stable, your body burns fat. Flax seeds are incredible at keeping blood sugar in check. They slow down digestion and help reduce glucose spikes after meals. That means less insulin, less fat storage, and more fat burning. Study Spotlight. In one clinical trial, people who added flax to their diet saw improved insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar, both key to unlocking fat loss. 3. Flax keeps you fuller. Longer. Think chia makes you feel full. Flax seeds are like chia's older, wiser cousin. The soluble fiber in flax expands in your stomach, slows digestion, and helps you stay full for hours. Which means fewer cravings, less snacking, and more calorie deficit without starving yourself. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax has around 3 grams of fiber, mostly soluble, the kind that really counts for satiety. 4. Flax boosts fat-burning brown fat. Okay, this one's wild. Flax seeds might actually help activate brown fat, the type of fat that burns energy instead of storing it. Brown fat increases your calorie burn at rest, like a natural internal furnace. A study from 2022 found that ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, the plant-based omega-3 found in flax, stimulated brown fat activity in mice. And humans have brown fat too. So more flax, more brown fat activity equals more fat burned. 5. Hormonal support equals easier weight loss. Let's not forget something crucial. Your hormones play a huge role in weight gain and weight loss. Flax seeds support thyroid health, estrogen balance, and insulin control. When those 3 are working with you instead of against you, weight comes off faster and stays off. 6. Flax is cheaper, easier to digest, and more versatile. Chia seeds can cause bloating in sensitive stomachs. They gel up and expand, sometimes too much. But ground flaxseed? Gentle on digestion, easy to absorb, and you can sneak it into almost anything. Sprinkle it on yogurt, blend it in smoothies, stir it into oatmeal. You won't even notice it's there, but your body will. Chia seeds might be trendy, but flax seeds are transformational. They're the quiet hero your metabolism has been waiting for. If you've been loading your smoothies with chia hoping to burn fat, you're not alone. But now you know. Flax seeds are the real secret weapon. They work with your hormones, improve your metabolism, and help you burn fat faster, all while keeping you full and energized. Think about it. Chia swells up in water, but flax goes deeper. It changes the way your body uses fat. It's not bulk, it's bioactive. And here's the best part. They're cheap, easy to use, and available pretty much everywhere. So next time you're choosing between chia and flax, you know which one actually delivers. And here's what most people will never realize. It's not just about what you eat. It's about eating what your hormones, your metabolism, and your gut actually respond to. Flax isn't just a food. It's fuel that finally gets your body working with you, not against you. To sum it up, flax seeds have 800 times more lignans than chia, key for fat loss and hormone balance. They help stabilize blood sugar, keeping you out of fat-storing mode. They keep you full longer and even activate fat-burning brown fat. And they're gentle on your stomach, versatile, and budget-friendly. Forget the hype. Go with the seed that actually works. If you found this eye-opening, share it with someone who's been duped by the chia trend. And if you want more real talk about holistic wellness without the fluff, subscribe now. No gimmicks, just simple facts that get results.